In 1788, a French street performer swallowed live cats, whole eels, and a basket of apples in one sitting. Doctors were stumped. His body simply couldn't stop eating. The French army turned him into a weapon, feeding him secret documents to smuggle past enemy lines. He was captured and beaten as a spy. His skin hung so loose, he wrapped the folds around his waist like a belt. Doctors watched him eat a meal meant for 15 people in one sitting. A toddler vanished from his hospital ward. Staff chased him out in suspicion. He died at 26. His autopsy found a stomach the size of his torso, coated in ulcers and filled with pus. Like and subscribe for more daily facts.